Imagine you are leading a small project to upgrade your company's internal communications system. You have a clear goal, a budget, and a deadline. But as you start, questions arise. How do you ensure everyone involved is on the same page? What fundamental ideas should guide your decisions when unexpected issues pop up? And what formal documents do you actually need to create and maintain to keep everything organized and transparent? These are not just theoretical questions. They are practical challenges that every project manager faces. To navigate them effectively, you need a solid understanding of project management principles, performance domains, and project artifacts. These three elements form a crucial framework that helps you manage projects consistently, adaptively, and successfully. First, let us explore the core project management principles. These are not rigid rules or steps. Instead, they are fundamental truths or guidelines that inspire and inform the behavior of project managers and teams. They provide a moral compass and a strategic lens through which all project activities should be viewed. Thinking of them as guiding lights rather than strict instructions is key. For example, a principle like stewardship means being a responsible and respectful caretaker of the resources entrusted to you, whether those are financial, natural, or human. Another vital principle is value. This principle emphasizes that the ultimate goal of any project is to deliver value to stakeholders. It guides decisions about scope, quality, and even how you measure success. If something does not contribute to value, its inclusion on the project should be questioned. The systems thinking principle reminds us that a project is not isolated. It operates within a larger organizational and external environment, and its components are interconnected. Changes in one area can have ripple effects elsewhere. The leadership principle highlights the need for effective guidance and motivation throughout the project. This is not just about one person, but about how the entire project team is inspired and empowered. Tailoring is another critical principle, suggesting that project management approaches should be adapted to the specific context of each project, rather than applying a one-size-fits-all methodology. Finally, the quality principle underscores the importance of processes and deliverables meeting acceptable standards and fitness for use. These principles underpin all project work, regardless of the specific approach taken. Next, we move to project performance domains. If principles are the guiding philosophy, performance domains are the areas of focus for managing a project effectively. They represent groups of related activities that are critical to the successful delivery of project outcomes. Think of them as the functional areas where you, as a project manager, and your team will concentrate your efforts. There are 8 such domains, and they are all interconnected and interdependent. The 8 project performance domains include stakeholders, focusing on identifying, engaging, and understanding those affected by the project. Team, which is all about building and managing an effective project team. Development approach and life cycle, concerning the choice of methodology, whether predictive, agile, or hybrid, and how the project progresses through its phases. Planning, which involves organizing and coordinating the project work. Further domains are project work, covering the actual execution and management of day-to-day activities. Delivery, concentrating on producing the project's deliverables and achieving its objectives. Measurement, involving the assessment of project performance and progress. And finally, uncertainty, addressing risks, opportunities, and the inherent unpredictability in projects. Understanding these domains helps you ensure comprehensive coverage of all necessary project management activities, ensuring no critical area is overlooked. Now, let us discuss project artifacts. These are the tangible outputs or documents created throughout the project lifecycle that support project management. They are the evidence of your planning, execution, monitoring, and closing activities. Artifacts can include documents, templates, registers, logs, and reports. They serve multiple purposes: communication, record-keeping, decision-making, and demonstrating compliance. For instance, in our communications system upgrade project, a project charter is an artifact, formalizing the project's existence and purpose. Other common project artifacts include the project management plan, which is a comprehensive document detailing how the project will be executed, monitored, and closed. Requirements documentation captures what the system needs to do. A risk register lists identified risks and their planned responses. Status reports provide regular updates on progress. Lessons learned registers capture insights for future projects. These artifacts are not just administrative burdens, they are essential tools that enable effective project governance and communication. They clarify expectations, track progress, and provide a historical record. The relationship between these three concepts is crucial. Project management principles guide your overall approach and decision-making within each of the project performance domains. For example, the value principle will influence how you manage the delivery performance domain, ensuring that what you produce truly benefits the stakeholders. Similarly, the team performance domain will be heavily influenced by the leadership and stewardship principles. Project artifacts are then created and used within these performance domains to demonstrate adherence to principles and to manage the project work. A risk register, an artifact, is a key tool used within the uncertainty performance domain, guided by principles of stewardship and systems thinking. A communications plan, another artifact, supports the stakeholders domain, informed by the leadership principle. This interconnectedness means that understanding one concept helps you grasp the others more fully. In summary, project management principles are the foundational truths that guide our actions, helping us make ethical and effective decisions. Project performance domains are the critical areas where we focus our efforts to manage the project work. Project artifacts are the tangible documents and outputs that support and record our activities within those domains. Together, they provide a holistic framework for successful project delivery. As you continue your journey in the Project Management Fundamentals section, remember how these concepts lay the groundwork for everything else we will discuss, including the critical topic of project governance in our next lecture.